Hello, today I will be comparing Factory and Lubed Lavender switches by Durock. The switches were lubed with krytox 205 grade 0 and filmed using deskys films. The springs were swapped with the new Gazzew 65-gram multi-stage springs. The A, S, D, and F keys are factory, while the remaining switches on the board are ones that I have lubed. I would recommend a thinner lube for these switches, as I think the 205 is a little too thick, as introduced a little more drag than most people would want on their switches. I've found I kind of like the drag on the switches though, so I'm happy with it. I think the Tribosys 3204 would probably be a better suited lube for these switches. The switches have a real nice clack to them, and I'm really enjoying the sound of typing on this board. Let's get to why you're here and compare the lubed and factory switches. These are all the factory switches here. And these are the lubed. Factory, lubed. Factory, lubed. I think the factory are a little more high pitched, while the lube seems a little muted, but it's got a nicer clack to it, I think. Factory, lubed. Well, I guess that's about it, guys. Thanks for checking out my video. Be sure to like and subscribe to catch all my future content. Hope you have a great rest of your day.